We saw that there was a gap in communication.
Make a PDF, email it out. You never know, people are actually going to look at it.
We had a very experienced superintendent and trade foreman doing some great planning, but they were doing it with sticky notes on a whiteboard. I was struggling to find a way to stay up to date on how they were planning the job in the field and how those changes affected my overall schedule.
Is there something that we can do to try and make this process better for everybody? Not just ourselves, but our clients, and how we could better serve them.
That's what originally caught my attention about the usefulness of Outbuild, is to be able to sort of bring that look-ahead planning and the task sequencing into the digital world where it's available to me and everybody else on our project team in real time.
Where Outbuild stands out is the collaboration that it can bring. It's a one-stop shop between all different softwares and management tools that we use. Being able to link it to Procore, being able to directly communicate with our stakeholders in a format that they can actually read and can appreciate.
This is like a nice digital pull plan that you can carry around the job, speak with all the foremen and project managers about it. You can update it as you're speaking with them, and then everybody can see it in real time.
Everybody has the same schedule. It looks professional, it's faster to build, and it's easier to get subcontractors in that room with you, so to speak, to help you build it.
With Outbuild, I'm able to have everything in one spot. I have my master schedule. I can break those line items into the 4-week look ahead. I can track any roadblocks without having to get an Excel sheet and writing everything down.
You can have multiple collaborators on a schedule. You can pull in the subcontractors, and they can put their input directly into the system.
The on-site training was very useful for our project management teams and for our field teams as well. It's
not hard to learn. It really isn't. This is my first job really diving into Outbuild, and I am right on track, and I'm on schedule, and I'm under budget. I'm kind of amazed how easy it is to see the schedule ahead of me and what is coming up and what we need to plan for.
The analytics are presented in such a way where they're user-friendly, and if something's not understood, it's easy to call Outbuild support, and Outbuild support is there to help us understand it.
It lends itself to our culture of constant improvement. The data and the way it's presented to us in Outbuild really allows us to try to hone in on those things.
And really, at the end of the day, what Outbuild does for us is it ties everything together. Communication, collaboration, one-stop shop for everything. All data is in a central location.
We see Outbuild as being one of the main parts in our toolkit to be the provider of choice in our industry and in our region, and we really see it as a way to separate ourselves from our competition in the years to come.
At the end of the day, a project is not successful unless everybody's happy. Subcontractors, GCs, and clients. And Outbuild has been a tool for us to bring all of those stakeholders together to communicate the successes of the job.